Let's take a deep look at the best forex brokers in Singapore for the year 2026. This review is based on the best MAS regulated brokers in Singapore, breaking down their platforms, their fees, their trading instruments, their account types, and every other important feature. But then, who or what is MAS? The Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, is the financial regulator and central bank of Singapore that supervises all financial institutions, including forex brokers, under the Securities and Futures Acts. It enforces strict capital adequacy, client fund segregation, adherence to AML, that is anti-money laundering, and best execution standards designed to protect traders and ensure market integrity. A Capital Market Services License, which is the CMS license, is issued by the MAS to firms authorized to deal in or advise on capital markets products, including leveraged forex and CFDs. When you confirm that a broker has the CMS license, it is a key indicator that you are trading with a regulated entity. Now, how do you confirm or verify that a broker is regulated by the MAS? Well, we did that illustration in our 2025 review of the best forex brokers in Singapore. The link to an illustrative video will be in the description. Now to the brokers review, kicking off with Interactive Brokers or IBKR. Interactive Brokers is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, the MAS. They emphasize transparent fees, low commission, and advanced trading technology through their platforms that are accessible on various devices. With Interactive Brokers, you can trade stocks, ETFs, options, futures, forecast contracts, currencies, bonds, mutual funds, and hedge funds, which are not CFDs. And then there are CFDs that include shares, index, commodities like crude oil and metals, then forex CFDs. If you do not know what forecast contracts are, let me explain briefly. When you trade forecast contracts, what you do is to bet yes or no on whether specific events like economic shifts or climate change will happen. And you can make these predictions anytime, 6 days a week, to profit from your outlook on the future. Note that to access hedge funds, if you are eligible for the Hedge Fund Capital Introduction Program, you need a minimum investment value of $25,000. Account types offered by Interactive Brokers varies, but for individual traders and investors, let's talk about these three. The first is the individual account, which is an account owned and used by a single person. The second is the joint account, which is an account owned and used by two people. And the third is the trust account, which is an account where assets are managed by a trustee for the benefit of another party. One or more trustees have access to all trading functions. As for commission, their commissions are either tiered, having up to 4 tiers, or fixed. As you can see, this table shows the commissions for US markets. Their forex commissions are tiered and they are between 0.08 to 0.20 basis points of your total trade value instead of inflating the price of the currency itself. They also offer spread as low as 0.1 pips, which is way lower than industry average. Commissions on stocks and ETFs are both tiered and fixed, but it depends on the pricing plan you are a part of. On the light plan, you get to enjoy commission-free trading when you trade US-listed stocks and ETFs. But when you trade a non-exchange listed US stocks and the likes, your account will be subject to fixed pricing. While on the Pro plan, you will be charged both tiered commission and fixed commission, depending on the assets you trade. Tiered commission is from 0.0005 to 0.0035 per share, depending on your trade volume, while the fixed commission is from 0.005 per share. Note that there are other third-party fees that are attached to these commission models. Now, let me explain what the Lite and the Pro plans are. IBKR Lite is a pricing plan that is meant for retail investors and traders in Singapore who have any of the 3 accounts earlier mentioned, except for standalone trust accounts with legal trustees. And it comes with no platform, no settlements, and no inactivity fee, plus no minimum deposit requirements. But the IBKR Pro is definitely a plan for pro and active investors who are also retail investors. On both pricing plans, trading hours are between 9:30 ET to 1600 ET. Each of these plans have different fees attached to them, so you have to take note of that. When you short sell a stock and bond, you will either be charged a borrow fee, which is a fee you pay daily to rent the shares from the market, or you get a short sale proceed interest, which you receive on the cash generated from the sale, which acts as a rebate to help offset the borrow fee. You only pay or earn interest on short positions after the trade has officially settled in your accounts. And if a stock is in high demand, the cost to borrow it can become so expensive that it completely eats up your interest earnings, resulting in negative rebate rates. Interest is paid on available cash balances, maintaining a net asset value, which is NAV. You can also subscribe to view market data, which comes at a monthly subscription fee. With IBKR, you can receive a free 30-day subscription for certain research, news and analysis service like Dow Jones, Morningstar, Trading Central, and many others. By joining the Stock Yield Enhancement Program, you allow IBKR to rent your fully paid shares to short sellers in exchange for daily interest payments and collateral. You receive 50% of the market-based interest rate earned from the loan, providing extra income on your portfolio. To qualify for this, you need to have either an approved margin account or your cash account has to be above 10,000 US dollars or its equivalent. One good thing about trading with IBKR is you are not charged an inactivity fee and no account minimum is required. One feature that IBKR prides in is their trading platforms, which are over 5. Let's take a look at them. The first is the Trading Workstation, TWS. TWS is their flagship desktop platform that is best suitable for intermediate and advanced traders and investors. The platform allows you to customize your workspace and get real-time market data, news, and research. It grants you access to over 100 order types, other tools, and algorithmic trading with other advanced trading features with risk assessment technology like the Risk Navigator, Model Navigator, and Option Analytics, as well as portfolio management tools. The next is the IBKR desktop platform, which is one that is best suitable for beginners and intermediate traders. This platform has some features and tools available on TWS, alongside tools for technical and fundamental analysis with level 2 market depth for real-time visibility into supply and demand. But on this platform, you cannot trade hedge funds. Then there is IBKR Mobile, which is obviously a mobile platform that is suitable for advanced and intermediate traders with advanced trading tools and other types, real-time data with options trading tools. Also, there is the IBKR Global Trader. It is a beginner-friendly mobile trading platform that allows you to trade only stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds, plus you can trade fractional stocks. And you can invest in stocks with as little as $1 US. Then they have the IBKR Client Portal. It is a web platform that is optimized for mobile also. With this platform, you can monitor and manage your accounts, as well as place trades and manage your open orders with advanced tools and access to research and reporting tools. This is suitable for traders of all levels. The IBKR API is a desktop platform that is best suitable for advanced traders, offering access to their API selection, which includes Web or REST API, Fix API, and TWS API. Then there is the IBKR Forecast Trader, which is a beginner-friendly web platform that is strictly for trading forecast contracts 6 days a week. The last platform is the IBKR Impact, which is a mobile platform that allows you to trade only stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds. It is best suitable for beginners and intermediate traders. To make deposits into your IBKR account, you can use instant local transfer via PayNow, instant local transfer via EGIRO, bank transfer, and transfer from Wise Balance, which comes with currency conversion fee charged by Wise themselves. As for their educational resources, you can browse through the IBKR campus, where you will gain access to courses, news, quant blog, webinars, podcasts, and other resources. And to reach their customer service, you can do that via email, phone call, live chat, and other medium. Let's take a look at CMC Markets, which is another broker that is regulated by the MAS. CMC Markets has been in existence for over 35 years, and they offer over 11,000 tradable instruments that includes Forex, indices, shares, ETFs, commodities, treasuries, and cryptocurrencies. You can gain access to various articles where you can learn about their trading platforms, trading strategy, risk management, and the rest. all on their Learn Hub. Plus, you can have access to news and analysis as well. While trading with CMC Markets, if you encounter any hitch or you want to make any inquiries at all, you can contact their customer support via live chat, phone call, and email. Now, let's talk about their account types, trading platforms, and fees. Opening an account with CMC Markets depends on the platform you trade with. You can either trade on the next generation platform that is web-based with its pattern recognition scanner and Reuters news and analysis, or you trade with the MT4 platform, that is the MetaTrader 4 platform that has advanced charting tools, expert advisors, and algorithmic trading. As at the time this review was carried out, CMC Market was still introducing its multi-asset platform, which is a mix of currently functioning services and highly anticipated upcoming features. CMC Markets also have the active trader account that offers spreads from 0 pips on major forex pairs and select indices with fixed commission of 0.0025% per transaction. But if you wish to invest in shares or ETFs, you can do that with the CMC Invest platform, which is a savings and investment app. Not to forget that CMC Market is also available on TradingView. Generally, CMC Market spreads start from 0.5 pips on major forex pairs like the Euro-USD pair, while that of the USD Singapore dollar is from 1.5 pips with commission on share CFDs like a 0.1% commission charge with a minimum of 10 Singapore dollar on Singapore shares. Overnight holding cost or swap fees are charged for trades left open overnight. Rollover costs apply to forward contract position held open beyond the expiry dates. You will also be charged guaranteed stop loss order fee when your guaranteed stop loss order is activated or triggered. If you are a professional trader, you may be charged additional exchange fees for live market data. You will be charged 10 Singapore dollar monthly if you have not traded at least once on your account in a period of 12 consecutive months while having a positive balance. Available payment methods in Singapore dollar include fast transfer, Visa and MasterCard credit and debit cards, which attracts a 2% transaction fee, and then pay now. But when you wish to deposit in US dollars, you can do that via Visa and MasterCard credit and debit cards, UOB telegraphic transfer, and non-UOB telegraphic transfer. Up next is IG. IG is one long-standing forex broker that has been in operation for over 50 years and has been in Singapore since 2006. It is an MAS-regulated broker that is authorized to offer trading and investment services to Singapore traders. The CFD trading instruments that IG offers includes indices, shares, forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, and ETFs. As for investment, you can invest in Singapore, US and UK shares, as well as bonds and ETFs. IG has made it easy for you to build your trading skills with their Trading Academy, which has courses made for all levels of traders and live sessions. Whether you choose to trade with IG or to invest with them, if you have any concerns whatsoever about your account, whether as a new or existing trader, you can contact IG via live chats, WhatsApp, phone call, and email. As for trading platforms, you can trade on any of their over 5 platforms based on your trading experience. The first is the L2 dealer platform, where you will get to see real-time market depth, that is DMA of shares and forex, and it is optimized for Singapore Exchange and regional Asia markets. But to trade with this platform, you will need a minimum deposit of $2,000, so it is obviously made for professional traders. The down part of this platform is that its charting tools are basic and you cannot backtest. The next platform is MetaTrader 4, which is best for forex beginners and intermediate traders, and it is packed with advanced charting tools and over 30 technical indicators. Then there is the Pro Real-Time platform that is suitable for technical analysts, packed with professional charting tools and over 100 technical indicators. They can also be traded on TradingView, which is beginner-friendly and packed with professional charting tools and over 100 technical indicators. Not to forget that algorithmic trading can be carried out on Pro Real-Time, MetaTrader 4, or custom IG API solutions. Now, apart from the 4 third-party platforms that I've mentioned, IG also have their own proprietary platforms, which includes their web trading platform that is made up of advanced charts and over 30 indicators. Then there is their mobile app that also has over 30 indicators. And finally, their web-based application for mobile devices, but it comes with basic charts, limited indicators, no drawing tools, no news and signals, no economic calendar, no one-click trading, and basically very limited usage. So it mainly serves the purpose of monitoring trades and accounts. IG basically has one account type for CFD trading and one account for investments. And that is, the account types are based on the assets you want to trade. To trade CFDs, you'll be trading with spreads from 0.6 pips on major forex pairs like the Euro USD pair. But for shares, you'll be charged commission from $10 or 10 Singapore dollars if you are trading US and Singapore shares and ETFs. You will also be charged DMA fees for processing live DMA fees for some shares. If you trade with the Pro Real-Time platform using the advanced charting feature, you will be charged $60 monthly, and this fee can be refunded if you place 4 or more trades a month. If you eventually fail to completely fill the W-8 form as a US citizen or the W-9 form as a non-US citizen trading US stocks, you will be charged an account documentation fee of $50. Also take note that goods and services tax, that is GST, applies to all charges. Other charges include overnight financing or swap fee, guaranteed stop-loss order premium when triggered, and currency conversion fees for converting your deposits or withdrawals from a currency different from your account-based currency. And for CFD trading, IG does not require a minimum deposit. If you choose to invest with IG, you will not be charged inactivity fees, but you will be charged for FX conversions for international markets. Also, when trading on Singapore Exchange, that is SGX, there are certain fees that apply. But to start investing, you need only a minimum of $20. To make payments into your IG account, you can do that via credit or debit cards, Pay Now, bank transfer, telegraphic transfer, which is TT, check, or bill payments through standard chartered online banking. A 2% transaction fee may apply by your card processor for certain payments. Up next is Oanda. Oanda is a broker that has been existing for over 25 years. It is regulated by the MAS, offering Singapore traders CFDs like Forex, Index, commodities, metals, cryptocurrencies, shares and bonds, all of which can be traded through account types like the standard account, the premium account, and the premium plus account. The standard account requires no minimum deposit as a new client. Their pricing structure is tight spreads plus commission, which in the case of the standard account is $50 for every $1 million. On the premium account, initial deposit for new clients is a minimum of 20,000 Singapore dollars or $30 million within 3 months. As for pricing, it is $40 per $1 million. Finally, on the Premium Plus account, the minimum initial deposit for new clients is 100,000 Singapore dollars or $200 million in 3 months. Then the pricing is $40 for every $1 million. While you can trade with VPS on the Premium and Premium Plus account, it is not available on the standard account. But whichever account type you are trading with, you can trade with guaranteed stop-loss order, which comes at a premium. Clearly, you can see that the standard account is for beginners, while the Premium and the Premium Plus accounts are for professional traders. Generally, spread for pairs like the Euro USD can go as high as 1.3, 1.4 pips, while that of Euro Singapore dollars can go as high as 2.8 or 3.1 pips and even more. Other fees include financial fees for positions held overnight, monthly inactivity fee of 10 Singapore dollars if you have not carried out trading activity on your account for 12 months, currency conversion fee when you trade in a currency different from your account currency. Then when you open and close a share CFD position, you will be charged a percentage of the national value of your position depending on the instrument traded. Also, when you make withdrawals via internet and bank wire transfer in a currency different from your account currency, which in this case is Singapore dollar, a fee of $20 apply for the first withdrawal processed in a month, while all other non-Singapore dollar withdrawals in that same month will incur a $35 fee. Apart from internet and bank wire transfer, other payment methods include Fast, DBS bill payments, and Pay Now. Their trading platforms comprises of the Oanda mobile app, the Oanda web-based platform, TradingView, MetaTrader 4, which is good for automated trading, and finally MetaTrader 5, which you can also use for automated trading with auto chartist having up to 21 time frames. Now, if you wish to get educational resources, the Oanda Learn is a good place to get trading resources in the form of articles and videos. Then the Trade Tap blog is a good place for market analysis and other articles. As for customer support, they can be contacted via live chats, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, SMS, and email. Now to Saxo Markets. Since 2006, Saxo Market has been operating in Singapore as an MAS regulated broker. It is a part of the Saxo Bank Group that functions in multiple jurisdictions and has been in operation for over 30 years. Saxo Market offers investment products like stocks, ETFs, bonds, mutual funds, and crypto ETPs, as well as leverage products like options, futures, CFDs like index, stocks and ETFs, commodity, bonds, and then Forex and cryptocurrencies. These instruments are over 71,000, which are really broad. The account types are classified into 3. On the classic account, no minimum deposit is required, but spread on Forex starts from 0.6 pips. This account is for beginners. Now, the premium account is for active traders. On this account, you can trade with spreads from 0.5 pips on Forex pairs with tight commissions. But to qualify, you need to make a deposit of 300,000 Singapore dollars or have higher trading volume over a period of time. Commissions on listed options, stock CFDs, futures and commodities goes as low as $0.75, $3, $1 and $1.25 respectively. Then the VIP account is for professional traders. Spread on this account is from 0.4 pips, but the qualifying deposit amount is 1.5 million Singapore dollars and beyond, or a higher trading volume over a period of time. This account comes with a 2.88% interest on uninvested cash. As for investment products, commissions start from $1 on stocks and ETFs and $5 on bonds, all on US stocks and government bonds. But mutual funds come with commission, custody, and platform fees of $0. When you hold a single stock CFD and any other margin products overnight, you will either be charged or credited a financing rate. But if your trade is funded by a loan, you will be charged margin lending interest rates. Then you will be charged a currency conversion fee for trading in a currency different from your account currency. Saxo Market does not charge inactivity fee and no custody fee for SGX stocks and ETFs except for other stocks. Now, if you request for online reports to be delivered by email as a classic account user, you will be charged a service level fee of the equivalent of $50. To transfer your securities to your brokerage account outside Saxo Market, you will be charged an exit fee. A €50 manual order fee applies when you place your order over the phone, chat, or email, except for products that cannot be traded on the platform. Now, if you request Form 1042S, which is an IRS tax form used to report US sources income paid to non-US residents, you will be charged €1,000 handling fee per income year. But if more than 10 forms are required per income year, the fee will exceed €1,000 per year. Now, if you wish to vote in proxy as a shareholder and to attend meetings, you will be charged proxy voting service fee. Except if you are a VIP account holder, you will be charged $200 to add a new instrument on the platform as a classic or premium account holder. If you do not close or transfer positions or withdraw all funds before the deadline Saxo gave you, they charge 15 Singapore dollar monthly, excluding GST, and it is non-refundable. Saxo has only one third-party platform, which is TradingView. Apart from TradingView, you can trade on their Saxo Investor platform, which is a mobile and web platform where you can invest in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. They also have their Saxo Trader, which is a mobile, web, and desktop platform where you can trade all assets. Plus, it constitutes over 80 technical indicators and drawing tools, algo order, depth trader tools to place and manage order in real time with level 2 order book insights only on desktop and APIs. It is also integrated with TradingView and multi-charts. To fund your account, you can do it via electronic direct debit authorization, that is EDDA or EGIRO, then FAST, Pay Now, and MEPS, alongside other methods that are for other currencies. Saxo has made available webinars, articles, and news, all to help traders and investors improve your trading knowledge and to keep you up to date. To resolve any issues with your account or make enquiries, you can contact Saxo via mail, phone call, or live chat on their platform. Based on each broker's feature we have seen so far, we can then say that Interactive Brokers is best for intermediate and advanced traders due to its multiple trading platforms that have advanced trading tools like the TWS, then access to multiple asset classes both for investors and traders, including forecast contracts. CMC Markets is best for beginners and intermediate traders as a result of its trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and its next generation platform, then its active trader account. IG is best suitable for professional traders, but they have beginner-friendly platforms like MetaTrader 4 among their multiple platforms that are over 5, and they require no minimum deposit for CFD trades. Oanda is best for beginners due to its standard account with no minimum deposit, but their Premium and Premium Plus accounts are for professional traders, plus their platforms are for both beginners and professional traders. Then Saxo Market is best for active professional traders due to its account types that require high minimum deposits and platforms that are not the popular third-party platforms like the MetaTrader platforms. And they have a wide range of instruments that are over 71,000. Each broker comes with its own strength, whether it's ultra-low commissions, powerful trading platforms, massive asset selection, or even advanced trading tools for professional traders. But we cannot forget that they also have their weaknesses. Apart from regulation, which is very important, the next thing to look out for is if each broker aligns with your trading style and with your trading strategies. And since trading comes with a high risk level, you may want to trade with their demo account first before you trade their live account so you can have an idea of their features. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification so you never miss our deep dive brokers review and trading guides. Also check out our website at safeforexbrokers.com/sg for Singapore related Forex brokers review. You may need to check the description for useful links like our step-by-step guide on how to check if a broker is regulated by the MAS. And now I'd like to hear from you. Which of these brokers would you consider trading with and why? Let me hear from you in the comments. Until I come your way again, happy trading!